The main reason you want to create a video is to tell a story, and editing is about building that story. So in this video, I'll be showing you the most used video editing techniques on YouTube, and now you can apply them in your videos like a pro. Hey guys, it's Dessyclef and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I do reviews, upload educational content while entertaining at the same time anytime. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, smash that bell so you wouldn't miss anything I upload, okay? Alright, now the first technique I want to introduce you to is called a talking head. This is one of the most common formats used on YouTube, and it involves somebody talking slightly away from the camera or directly into the camera like I'm actually doing right now. People watching videos online get distracted easier than a curious baby. Every now and then you need to snap like, hey, hey, hey. This motion right here, this snapping, is a way of drawing back the baby's attention to you. In the case of your audience, the video of you talking to the camera without any other supporting footage isn't enough to keep them engaged. So you need to spice things up. You need to make it tasty, you know. You need to add a little salt here, a little pepper here. Oof. You need to support your story with a B-roll technique. B-roll. B-rolls are footages that provide visual content for what is being said to make your story more interesting to watch. It doesn't necessarily have to be about what is being discussed. For example, I could use a close-up shot of my hand movement as I'm speaking to you right now to cut away from the shot of me just talking to the camera, and this close-up shot will serve a supplementary purpose that helps rekindle your interest in a story I'm sharing. Mind you, a B-roll should not break your story. It should rather add to the story that you are visually depicting. Just like the salt and pepper reference, you don't need too much of it unless you are using a voiceover technique. Now the voiceover technique is so cool. But how cool is it? It's so cool that it allows you to create great content for your audience without them necessarily seeing your face. The voiceover technique is definitely a great editing trick for keeping people's attention. With just a microphone and a place to record, you can transform yourself into whoever you want to be by just getting into character and expressing your inner fantasy like it's no one's business. And oh, with a voiceover technique, you don't have to worry about making any mistakes while recording, because all unwanted parts can get cut out later in edits, leaving you with a perfect audio you can now add footages, slides, and even music onto to make it una bellezza da apprezzare. My Italia is so good now. Everybody on YouTube is cutting jump cuts, match cuts, standard cut. Well, just cut. Cut out the unnecessary part of your video. Let's say you need to speed up a sequence. Use a jump cut, that is, show the beginning of you doing something and immediately move to the shot of you finishing that thing. You can use a jump cut to hide your bloopers too. Cut the error out and zoom in a little bit on the joining clip to make it look like you are using two cameras. Yeah, fake it till you make it, right? Well, that's good. Now go create some great content and use these editing tricks to turn a good content into a wow content. And hey, you, have you subscribed? If you haven't, please click that subscribe button. And until my next video, peace. Yeah.